Hello everyone, my name is Linh Đan. I'm 6 years old. Today I'm read a book, Baby Animals. This is book Animals. This dog had 2 puppies. They are very cute. This is a kitten. A kitten is a baby cat. This is a mother sheep. She had 2 lambs. Three a baby rabbit. They had 2 ears, long ears. This lion had 2 cubs. Lion cub like to play. Had this baby girl is on his father's back. He loves his father. This baby birds are in a tree. The baby birds are look at me. Bird.
Bóng à?
Yes. Bird. Cubs. Black. Dog. Brown. Ruler. Cat. Green.
Ruler là thước à?
No. Ruler. Shoe. Ruler. Ruler. Cat and green. And kitten. Rabbit. Lamb and sheep. Lion. Tree. Puppy. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Listen me read a book, Baby Animals. Thank you, everybody. Goodbye.